Hey guys, so I wanted to make a short video talking about some of the accessories on the front of our Kodiak right here, the trailer tray, and then I've got a new cover for the twin propane tanks. So I'm getting ready to put that on. I thought I'd go ahead and grab the camera and show you some of these accessories and what we're using right here. All right, so I'll start out with the propane tank cover. This is one that I recently purchased off of Amazon. It's a little bit heavier duty, I hope, versus what I got on there now. This one right here did not last very long. You can see it's weathered pretty well. It's starting to split and tear, and it's just looking kind of old and dirty and nasty. I did buy this one from Carpenter's Campers. It's one that, you know, is readily available that they had in stock, so I bought it from them. But I wanted to replace it with another one to kind of freshen it up, so I bought this one right here. It's just like that white one right there, but it has more of a, you know, canvas exterior feel to it, where this one has more of a vinyl exterior to that. So we're going to put that on here in just a minute. All right, so let me move that out of the way to show you what else I wanted to talk about. So this guy right here, this is the Strongberg trailer tray, and everything I'm showing you here you can purchase off Amazon. I'll have the links in the video description down below if you want to go to my affiliates page. This right here is about $200 off of Amazon, and it is a completely modular unit, meaning it's a universal fit for travel trailers. The way this kit comes, it comes with the lower brackets there, all of the hardware that you need to clamp it to the frame. All right, same thing on the other side right here. You've got the bracket that mounts to the frame right there. Comes with these tubes and then these plates right here so that you can adjust everything so that you have your proper distance that you need. Get it straight in line and level. All right, comes with a front bracket here that attaches like you see right there that gives you some extra support. All right, the trailer tray works great for hauling extra cargo, such as if you've got a bin or a cooler. And in my case, the main reason why I wanted to use it is for our Honda generator. And that is that's actually the main purpose that I run that, is I put the Honda generator up here on this tray, get it strapped down, it's bolted down, and it's a good place to haul this whenever we're on the road and we don't have it in the back of the truck or things like that. Other times when the generator is not mounted up here, I'll put a plastic bin up here that's got some extra things in there as well. So it's a nice little addition. And what I wanted to point out was that I actually will have a video on the Abom 79 channel, that's my other channel, of me doing a repair to this trailer tray. Last year, whenever I got it and installed it on here, I had drilled an additional hole right here that I needed to use for a locking cable. Now, I didn't think about that at the time, but this actually caused a weak spot and it started to crack right here. All right, so there was a crack right in the middle, causing it to be a little weaker. So what I have done was I got a piece of angle iron and I actually welded a piece of angle iron to this back side right there, stiffened it up. It's nice and strong now, and I do not have a hole in the center anymore. So I'm going to have a video on the other channel of doing the repair to this unit right here, in case you're interested in seeing a little bit of the metalwork inside of some of the stuff that I do. All right, so pretty cool unit right here. I always have a lot of people at the campgrounds ask me about that because it's not a common thing to see, but like I said, it's available on Amazon if you'd like to pick you up one. All right, this is just a simple canvas cover that covers the electric jack on the front, and the reason I keep this on here is that let this cheap little $10 bag absorb the sun's UV rays and help prolong the plastic that is you know, the cover of the electric jack right there. So this right here is 10 bucks. The propane bag is I think it was $33, and then the trailer tray here is right at $200, all on Amazon. So pick you up some of those things if you desire. The cover, I will say, is for two 20-pound propane tanks. So I'll set the tripod up and we'll go ahead and pull this one off and stick the new one on there. Okay, let's get this old cover off. I'll show you how these things work too. Oh, I forgot to point out, the reason why I had to add a cover like this is because since I added the trailer tray, the original plastic cover that they usually put on these, you cannot lift that thing off once you put this trailer tray on here without having to remove it to remove the tray. So this is the obvious choice, is to get a soft bag that you can keep the tanks covered up with. And it simply just should just lift up. Just like that. Even that board they put in there is just nasty looking. Didn't really do very much. That was a very inexpensive cover, should I say. I guess they're all inexpensive, and it's just a consumable, I guess. Get it and throw away after a couple of years. All right, let's get this new cover on there. Make sure it fits good. It should. And you can order these on the Amazon link. You can order for different size propane tanks. So if you got the 40 pounders, you can get one for that too. Okay, that's all it is to it right there. All right, and then you got a zipper. So go ahead and unzip it so you can see. Okay, they got it. I'm sorry, I went the wrong way. Actually, I got it on there backwards. All right, let me pull it off and put it back on there. I didn't realize I had it backwards. It's just a little easier to access the controls from the front side with the zipper in that configuration. There you have it. Okay, nothing glamorous, but it does fit them good, just like that. So you can get in here and access your controls, take the tank out if you need to, and we'll go ahead and sew her back up. All right, that's it. There it is on there. I'm half tempted to go ahead and cut another board like that other one had to put in there on the top, just to kind of create a nice flat surface on the top there. But anyway, that looks better than what was on there, and that'll get the job done. So they're both inexpensive, and they both just make it look a little bit better, and it makes you be able to access it a lot easier having the trailer tray on there versus the big plastic cover that comes on there from the factory. So there's the one that came in the other cover, real soft, just like turning to mush. And there's mine right there. This is a piece of wood that I already had in the garage, so I decided to go ahead and cut one. It's thin and lightweight, but it's going to be a lot stiffer than this right here. And I think after the video, I'm probably going to pick up some kind of clear and or just seal this thing to kind of seal it from any kind of moisture getting on it. But let's go ahead and test fit it and make sure it works. There we go. That worked perfect. And that makes the bag, you know, just stand up nice and tall, keeps it nice even right here. So that worked out really good. Perfect. Just looking at the other side there. The elastic wraps underneath the tank, so it'll hold it just fine. They should have no worries with this thing pulling off there. It's pretty snug on the bottom of the tanks. I like it. Out here, it won't take any time. It'll work these wrinkles out of there from being folded up. All right, well, that finishes up this little project that I had for the Kodiak. One more checked off the list. All these little things that we're trying to get done before we head out on the big haul. But the new cover for the propane tanks looks great. I'm glad that I cut this board because that really makes the canvas stand up and look, you know, like it should. It looks a lot better with that board under there. By the way, that was a 12-inch wide cut that I made to fit this, and then just use a standard plastic bucket to mark the radiuses on each end of the board. That worked out pretty good there. We got a little bag for the jack there. Our trailer tray is ready to go. Remember, we'll have a video over on Abom 79 of the repair of this trailer tray. And once we get set up to head out on our big haul, we'll be getting the generator up here, get it mounted, bolted, and strapped in properly. And we will show you what that looks like whenever we get to that point. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you real soon.